देहाती कहेगा, Why are you shouting?
Because I can! Powered by Mahima Creations.
Hi, this is Salim Merchant, and you're listening to Radio Dihari's Entertainment Just Got Hotter.
Radio Dihari's the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Now airing on
Desi 1170 AM.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
All the way till
6 p.m.
let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Shri Akal.
మీకందరికి వందనము.
Nisam Bula.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय राम जी की.
And of course, कुल तमाम करके सभी लोगों को जय पाम जी की.
That is right, Bandhan.
And what an auspicious day today is, Bandhujan. We actually have the match, which is going to be a deciding match for India and Australia, of course.
That is absolutely right.
And हम लोग आशा करते हैं कि इंडिया जीत के आए. And we want you guys to actually give the cheer, Bandhujan, because the more people actually think of something positive, ना फालतू रानी,
Right.
it actually happens that way.
That is
तो
exactly.
हमारे देखो, we have so many people backing India team right now, and India team should do well.
I know.
देखो, you don't have to give them any pressure. Just think positive.
हाँ
तो हमने स्लोगन किया ना, कितने मुश्किल से हमने एक गाना बनाया उनके लिए,
हाँ.
जो आजकल बहुत फेमस हो गया. करीब 5 million people already heard it.
हाँ.
500,000 people already heard the song already. It's a very famous song right now. Soon to be heard by millions of people. तो उसका पेशकश करेंगे हम लोग after some time दो. लेकिन उससे पहले आपको बोलते कि अगर आप कुछ शॉर्ट देना चाहते हैं तो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम पर डायल कीजिएगा 4089122479 4089112 247 पे कॉल कीजिएगा. अभी के अभी.
That is right, Bandhan. And जब अभी के अभी बोल रहे हैं, वक्त जाया मत कीजिएगा.
मौका फर्स्ट बनो.
That is right. मौका मौका चौका छक्का. मौका मौका छक्का चौका. That's right, Bandhan. It is time for India. It is our mauka.
That's
And
right.
it's your mauka to pick up the
Yes.
phone and give us a call and do Hosla Afzai. And if you don't know what that is, well, it means encouraging and reinforcing a positive energy for the Indian cricket team.
मौका.
वाह वाह
एक
वाह
और
वाह
बोलिए प्लीज.
वाह 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 वाह.
देख, thank you very
हमारा
much.
इन स्टूडियो ऑडियंस भी है.
हमारा बड़ा स्टूडियो ऑडियंस है.
हाँ.
कुल मिला के एक है. तो बोल दो ना.
हेलो बोलो ना पैप.
हेलो पैम पैम.
हाँ देखो पावरफुल है बटजान. पैम पैम एक बंदूक है फॉर द एंटायर वर्ल्ड.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
बटजान आपको मालूम है ना, एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट जस्ट इंडिया वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया बटजान,
हाँ.
इट इज इंडिया वर्सेस द वर्ल्ड.
दैट इज राइट.
सब लोग बोल रहे हैं उनको मौका चाहिए पटाखे फोड़ने का.
हाँ.
हम नहीं देंगे उनको वो मौका.
हाँ.
नहीं देंगे हम लोगों को मौका. वापस भी नहीं देंगे. कप लेके जाएंगे हम लोग घर.
दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट.
एंड धोनी भाई, आप बस जीतो कप और टेक इट टू योर हाउस एंड गिव इट एज अ सिपी कप.
दैट इज ट्रू. तो आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करके आपके विशेष शेयर करने हैं या आपके जो स्लोगन है वो भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमारे एक बंधु है श्याम सुंदर जी, उन्होंने कॉल करके बोला वोंट गिव इट बैक, स्टील द थंडर फ्रॉम डाउन अंडर. एक और बंधु ने बोला तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त, फॉर इंडिया टू विन इट्स अ मस्ट मस्ट. नाइस, नो वेरी नाइस.
सो स्वीट.
आई नो. एक और बंधु ने, एक हमारे बंधु है, क्या जबरदस्त शेरो शायरी,
पूरा पोम लिखा यार.
पोयम लिखा हमारे
पोम
देसी
लिखा
zen.
और मैं तो याद चौंक गया.
हाँ हमारे
Seriously.
सौंजेदा. अगर आपको उसको देखना है जाके हमारे फेसबुक पे जाके पढ़ लीजिएगा. एंड 1 2 3 4
अभी तू सोचती रहे, मैं देखो कॉल लेकर आ
नो
जाऊं.
1 2 3 4 था. सॉरी मैं इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करके मैसेज किया. तो अभी आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479 4089122479. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. वोट आलतू.
माय बैड.
क्या रे?
मैं एक्साइट हो गया था तो मैं पूरा लाइन एक ही झटके में ले लिया.
क्या रे आलतू.
ओके सॉरी यार, होता है यार कभी कभी बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बात होती रहती है यार. कम ऑन, माफ कर देना
तो
यार.
ऐसे करेगा ना, मैं सडनली सुनी खबर कर दूंगी.
चलो करो.
हाँ
उसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है,
मैं
बुरी
याद
बात नहीं
दिला
है.
रही हूँ तेरे को.
का तरीका बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
हाँ।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक और कॉलर के पास जाएंगे, बाद में जाएंगे सुनी खबर की तरफ।
हाँ, नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Won't Give It Back Wednesday में। पैम पैम, कौन है जी?
हेलो, हाय, हेलो,
Hello?
कौन है जी? नमस्ते,
पैम पैम,
Hi, Pam Pam.
कौन है जी?
This is Vasavi from Zamunda.
Vasavi.
Hey, Vasavi is the first time got to our show.
So she's called us before, but
Yeah.
it's been a very long time since she called us.
She's been long.
Yeah, like what the song that was you guys sang? It was like, okay, we're already seeing the India victory over there.
Oh. वासवी कितनी प्यारी प्यारी बोलती हैं आप यार, सो सीरियसली। एक और बार गाएं हम लोग आपके लिए।
Galo.
हाँ हाँ,
It was awesome. I don't know. I just felt like saying, okay, well, I don't know what you sang. वो गाना था कि क्या था, जो भी था लाजवाब था।
Exactly. मैंने बोला सब लोग जो who are actually interested in the particular thing, तो अभी आपके लिए impromptu करेंगे हम लोग, okay? 1, 2, 3 करेंगे या?
हाँ, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to do it live for you. Don't hang up our Vasavi because we want your actual feedback. So stay on the air. We're going to sing for you, and we even have हमारी जो chorus party ready हो क्या? Ready. तो वो भी गाएगी हमारे साथ।
Hey, orchestra.
Ready.
Ready.
सब ready है। Vasavi, don't hang up the phone. Listen on
you can
it.
sing along with us also, okay?
Yeah, here
1,
you
2, 3, start. आज फिर से आया है वो मौका, मौका
किसका है भाई?
हमारे पड़ोसियों का फाड़ा।
फोड़ा बोलना।
अजीज अब बजेगा तेरा बजेगा,
चौका छक्का मारने का मौका,
मौका
मारो चौका छक्का, मारो छक्का चौका, जब मिले मौका।
धोनी तू आज इंडिया की लाज को रखना,
कोहली अनुष्का की कसम हार के मत आना,
अश्विन और जडेजा विकेट तू लेते रहना,
रायना और राणे कमाल फिर से दिखाना,
चौका छक्का मारने का मौका, मारो छक्का चौका, जब मिले मौका।
जीत की मत रखना औसी तू कोई धोखा,
जमीन में डुबा देंगे हम तेरी नौका,
मौका 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 मौका,
फिर चौका छक्का इट्स अ मौका, चौका छक्का मारने का मौका, मारो छक्का चौका, जब मिले मौका।
इंडिया का तो आज है मौका, फाइनल्स में आने का मौका, ऑजीज तो है
ये पिटाएंगे,
मारेंगे तो हम,
ये पिटाएंगे,
सिकंदर है हम,
जीत जाएंगे।
इस बार तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हरा डालेंगे।
वाह वाह, जब नाम है धोनी तो ऐसी ही होनी,
With चौका छक्का it's a मौका, it's a मौका,
चौका चक्का मारने का मौका,
मारो छक्का चौका, जब मिले मौका।
मौका। बाहर इंडिया बोली। आपके लिए
Thank you for singing it live for me.
that was just for you.
Very good song, guys. Good.
Thank you so much, Vasavi. इतना अच्छी प्यारी प्यारी बातें बोलेगी तो ऑफकोर्सली ना हम तो रोज गाना डाल देते हैं।
रोज गालो फाइनल तक।
No problem. I actually finals तक we inspired to one more song.
Yeah.
हम तो भजन करने वाले हैं।
Hey.
भजन कीर्तन बन जाएगा।
नहीं आलतू,
हाँ?
भजन कीर्तन छोड़ो, फाइनेंस के लिए ये म्यूजिक वीडियो बनेगा, म्यूजिक वीडियो।
Oh, yeah, we'll wait for the video.
And if at all you want to be a part of the video, like you know, want models there. तो आ जाइएगा प्लीज। Good looking people you want there. And देखो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी खड़े हो गए 3 लोग। मॉडल वो तो good looking चाहिए यार।
Hey,
सॉरी।
good
तू
looking.
बैठ जा ना। तू तो ऑलरेडी है उसमें। हाँ तू भी है पीजे, डोंट वरी।
तो वासवी जी, आपका जो स्लोगन है इंडिया के लिए क्या है?
क्या है?
Yeah, I was just thinking about you guys. I was thinking about the team.
Okay, what do you want to tell them? Give your message to them. It doesn't have to be a slogan. You can give a message.
Yeah, good luck, India.
Aww, so sweet, straightforward.
Yeah.
No masala.
We are there.
Yeah.
Yeah, India, I'm going to burn midnight oil for you.
Yeah.
So you better go ahead and keep that, bring that World Cup back. So,
Exactly.
Yeah. So, well, very good, Vasavi. So what we want you to do is your very, very simple message and how appreciative you are of our Mauka song.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
want you to go post on our Facebook
Please.
page. By the way, it is not just Mauka. It is chauka and chakka marne ka mauka.
Exactly. And mauka, chauka, chakka marna jab milega mauka also.
Haan, exactly.
So whenever the ball comes in at full toss, yeah, sixer only.
Whether it is full toss or offside or whatever that is.
Doesn't matter.
you
Leg
should
side or
just
offside doesn't matter. Hit it off straight.
Hit it off. Hit
Yeah.
it off. Hit it
Yeah, that reminds me of the Starbucks mocha. I have to go to Starbucks mocha.
Oh, you thought of mocha.
Ah!
Mauka.
मौका तो प्लीज जाके हमारे फेसबुक पे पोस्ट कर दो वासवी facebook.com/radio-dehoti. Thank you so much for calling in. We do have a wonderful Sagar Veggistaurant who are giving away our Bandhujan. So we're going to pick 5 good slogans and 5 Bandhus will win a gift certificate from Sagar Veg. So please go and post on facebook.com/radio-dehotis. But it's not a Facebook contest, guys. It is on air and online. Call in 408-912-2479. Call in with your wishes for Team India. Chak de India.
कुछ करिए बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तुम बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तुम बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे तस है नाम है जी जिद है तो जिद है किसना यूं ही पत्थर है कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
हाँ 408-912-2479 पे आपको कॉल करना है. एंड अगर आप सोच रहे थे क्या हो गया, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एक डिलिबरेट पॉज था. हर चीज में होता है बंधुजन, एक लल होना चाहिए आपको वो एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए, राइट? धड़ाक से एक धमाका एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए. तो हाँ, दैट्स आवर पोर अटेम्प्ट एट ट्राइंग टू मास्क आवर टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस. तो होता है बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती है, राइट? तो आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 पे एंड आपकी विशेस फॉर इंडिया शेयर करने हैं. एंड रिहा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर रीट्वीटिंग एंड देन आफ्टर I don't know what that means. I think she means wah 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 for our Mauka song. She says BAHHAHHHH. I don't know what that means. Maybe wah wah wah.
You think she's not supporting the Indian team?
I don't know. Riha, why don't you call us? We'd like to know. 408-912-2479.
Did you know Varun Sopti is from India?
Not Varun Sopti.
What about
It's
Varun
Sopti.
Varun Sopti.
Okay. तो आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 पे. आज won't give it back Wednesdays में won't give it back
won't give it back, won't give it back, won't give it back.
Hello, नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में Won't Give It Back Wednesday में. Who's this?
Pam Pam, Jai Gurudev.
पैम पैम, जय गुरुदेव, कैसा है सर?
Doing good, doing great.
Your shout out for the Indian cricket team, please.
Yes. So, you know, it's not a mauka for us. It's our right. They have done a great job so far, and they will do the best today.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow. So that's your message to them or the message to the world?
Both.
Ah.
And actually, logically, if you see, it all matters who win the toss. And the first 20 overs, if you are bowling, the first 20 overs matters. And if you are batting, the first 50 overs will matter.
Ravi Saab, only tell one thing to all the Aussies out there.
Yeah.
Boss, loss or toss, the cup is ours, boss.
Oh.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, so Ravi ji, we'll take that as the answer. Go to our Facebook page and post it there for sure, please. Facebook.com/Radio Hotties.
And hashtag won't give it back, sir. Hashtag won't give it back, India versus Australia. So please do hashtag that on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for calling in. I got another one.
हाँ.
क्या loss? क्या बोला तू? Loss या toss? क्या बोला?
Loss on toss?
Loss on toss?
Well, the cup is ours, boss.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I said.
We
Loss
won't
on
give it
toss.
back, boss.
Oh, that way we won't give it back,
Yeah.
boss. Cup is ours, boss. Okay, doesn't matter. Same thing, Manija. Right now, you can give us a call, give us a slogan right now, so all our cricket team out there can enjoy. वो जो 2 घंटा वो लोग wait करते हैं ना before the match starts.
हाँ.
To listen to our show and become happy mood, na.
हाँ.
So call up and give us क्या. Come on, we're tweeting it right now.
Right.
And you won't believe it's trending already. Hashtag won't give it back, you'll see.
आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479 पे. हम आपको मिलेंगे एक छोटे से अंतराल के बाद.
We'll be back after a break.
Ravi Tax Services, an experienced accounting firm, has been providing tax, accounting, incorporation, payroll, and bookkeeping services for more than 15 years. For any of your tax, accounting, incorporation, payroll, and bookkeeping services, please contact Ravi Tax at 408-733-9386 or visit them at ravitax.com. Experience counts. Mention they see 1170 AM before March 15th to get a 15 to 20% discount on personal taxes.
Traveling to India, Pakistan, Fiji, or Sri Lanka? Visit TravelOpod.com for the guaranteed lowest fares, 24/7 service, or book by phone to save more. TravelOpod.com. Best fares always. Recommended by 90% of customers.
Are you a software developer frustrated by your lack of career progress? Symbiosis Mobile Solutions has fast-track programs in Android and iOS development. Launch your hot new mobile career with Symbiosis. Call 1-800-916-6315. 1-800-916-6315.
At Sangeeta, we are a microcosm of South India. Originally from Karnataka, we grew from our humble beginnings in Andhra Pradesh and Kerala to finally establishing Sangeeta in Tamil Nadu. At Sangeeta, we offer weekly specials from different regions of South India as a way of celebrating this diversity. Hence our motto, simple, sustainable, and South Indian. Hi, this is Pradeep from the Sangeeta restaurant family, and I invite you to come celebrate the diverse flavors of South India. We open at 8:30 a.m. every day.
Visit sangeeta.biz or call 408-743-5345.
Hey guys, this is Deepika Padukone and you're listening to me on Radio De Hotties with Altu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment just got hotter.
That's right, Badujan. Just take it from her, take it from Anu, take it Kohli. Even Dhoni says the same thing. Entertainment keeps getting hotter.
Just that you don't hear it on the air. Very soon we'll get that also. Figure not, yeah.
Don't
Not to worry at all. Well, if you guys, here's what we're going to do. We're going to actually tweet all of your wishes. This particular show, we're going to tweet, Badujan. We're going to actually edit it, put it on YouTube, and then we're going to tweet the link to... कौन आलतू क्या इतना स्टाइल मार रहा है?
I'm going to tweet it to Anu. Anu send it to Ko. Ko send it to Do. And Do send it to T.
What is T?
Team.
Eam.
That's a short form, यार. जब प्यार से बोलते हैं कि Anu means Anushka. Ko means Kohli.
Okay.
Do means Dhoni. Right? And Dhoni is sent to Eam. That is team. Team India. And of course, that's a very short form. Actually, getting the message out to them out there right now. मौका मत छोड़िएगा बड़जान. Call कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. तब तक के लिए आप सुनिएगा हमारी तरफ से सुनी खबर.
Khabar headlines are actually brought to you today now by, of course, none other than the person who will be coming up in a few minutes. Bandhujan, we're going to be talking to Rishi Yadav from Info Objects, where you can find out more about what's going on in the world of big data. And if you want to get trained in big data, want to find out more about the big data space and how you can make a killing off of it, all you need to do is get in touch with them, infoobjects.com.
And of course, guys, the first news for you is a consumer watchdog report says oil refineries in California have about half as much gasoline on hand compared to the rest of the country. A consumer advocate has told a Senate committee the situation has led to a spike in gasoline prices from Californians. The report conducted by Consumer Watchdog says oil refineries are overcharging Californians by keeping the state running on empty. The report states how Californians paid $47 billion
extra
or over the $13 million per day more for gasoline compared to the rest of America over the past 10 years.
Oh my God. I hope they really investigate and find out what's going on with regard to that. But the other news that's coming up is not such great news, Bandhujan. Yesterday we reported about the plane crash that happened in the French Alps. Well, helicopters brought investigators to the crash site of Germanwings Flight 9525 earlier today. Investigators are risking a dangerous terrain in search of clues behind the disaster. Workers had to be tied together because the steep area in the French Alps is so treacherous that investigators have managed to hear some audio from the cockpit voice recorder, which was found yesterday. The flight data recorder has not been found yet.
And of course, another news from India. Vajpayee, the former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, is a veteran parliamentarian and a founder member of BJP. He's been conferred with the highest order of Bharat Ratna Award. As you know, he was the Prime Minister from 1998 to 2004 and has since faded from his public life due to his age-related illness. This has been is a great honor for him, actually. And of course, he's been known to be one of the moderate faces of BJP.
And finally, we had reported on this before. Jeremy Clarkson from Top Gear. Well, in entertainment news, we've just found out that Jeremy Clarkson, who starred as the host of Top Gear, is not going to have his contract renewed after he apparently busted his producer's lip and verbally abused him, according to BBC. Clarkson, who hosted one of the most watched television shows in the world, was suspended on March 10th, being involved in a fracas with producer Oisin Timon on March 4th. In 2013, Guinness World Records named Top Gear the world's most widely watched factual program with an estimated 350 million global viewers. And those were the Sunsuni Khabar headlines that were put together for you by the news desk of Team Mahima that is headed by Neha Raghunath. And right now, Bandhujan, we are going to try to see if Chris has for us Rishi Yadav from Info Objects, who's going to be joining us, and he will be talking to us a little bit about what's going on in the world of big data, and also we'll ask Rishi what his shout out for the Indian cricket team is going to be. So let's go on and welcome Rishi. Hi Rishi, how are you doing?
I'm doing awesome. I'm doing Faltu.
Thank you so much for joining us. Are you back in the area, Rishi, or are you still in on the East Coast?
No, I'm back. I'm back after 1 week of travel. So yeah, but it was awesome. All the kind of traction we got especially with the book and the whole big data story. It was amazing.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, so you can just relax and grab a cup. Oh, I'm sorry. That's what Indian.
Nothing beats Bay Area. So.
The World Cup is here, right?
Yes, absolutely. So, Rishi, go ahead. Tell us what's new in the world of big data. What happened at the Spark Summit? Could you talk to us a little bit about that? And also, if you could share when your new classes are going to be starting, could you talk to us about that?
Every year they do it here in San Francisco, and they are going to do it in San Francisco in June, which we are also sponsoring. Yes, it was an interesting experience. A very different type of crowd there as opposed to the Bay Area crowd. Obviously, New York has a lot of folks working in the financial sector, so they come up with a different kind of business problems. So it was very interesting from that perspective. But overall, summit went really, really well. It was that Spark is shining in the big data, and that's what the summit proved again. So.
Oh, that's wonderful. So, and again, Bandhajan, we are talking to Mr. Rishi Yadav of Info Objects. So, Rishi, tell us, when is your next course? I know you had said that there's a course that's going to be starting in April, right? So, could you talk to us a little bit about that course for Bandhus who are not familiar with what to expect from that particular course?
So, the course is starting on April 18th. So, it's going to be a 2-weekend, 4-day course. And we are going to cover complete A to Z, the whole 9 yards of big data. The last missing piece in Spark is the graph processing library that will also be introduced in the next course. So we are going to cover complete big data all the way starting from Hadoop and going all the way to Spark. I know that 1 year back, the whole big data class was about Hadoop, but as the ecosystem has expanded, but we still cover the whole ecosystem here. It's a very intensive training of 4 days.
Absolutely. And also, Rishi, you did mention that when somebody trains with Info Objects, they can come back for refresher courses with you. How exactly do they go about it? Now, if somebody is already, like, let's say Hadoop trained if they've already had that prior knowledge, do they enroll for a course with you, or how does that work? Could you talk about that?
Yeah, so no, in fact, a few folks have already, it's interesting you brought it up, because few folks, in fact, came yesterday and they were talking to me that we are already trained in Hadoop by Cloudera, and now we want to get trained in Spark. So for them, what's going to happen is, because Hadoop we only cover for a day, so for them, in fact, it's a good revision of Hadoop. So they'll get a chance to revise Hadoop fundamentals very fast, and then they'll move on to Spark. So in fact, but it's a very interesting observation that a lot of folks who got trained in Hadoop, they want to actually, because Hadoop in itself is great, but I think Spark is the one which brought the actual industry users to Hadoop, and that's where everybody's heading. Yeah, so it's a great case if somebody is already trained in Hadoop and they can take advantage of our training as well.
Absolutely. And if you'd like to take advantage of the training, Bandhajan, please make a note. It's infoobjects.com. That's the website. Infoobjects.com, or you could give them a call at 408-988-2000. That's again 408-988-2000. A lot of us are techies here in the Bay Area, and many of us might already be in the big data space or may not, maybe considering. It's always worth talking to people who are actually leaders in the training and placement space. They not only do train people, but they also do implementations. They take on projects as well at InfoObjects. So you could possibly even get absorbed into the company to work on one of their projects itself, depending upon your level of skill and experience. So definitely get in touch with them. You can request to speak with Rishi or one of his able colleagues at InfoObjects, 408-988-2000. Again, 408-988-2000. Rishi, before you go, we want to ask you, we're doing a theme today. We're saying Won't Give It Back Wednesday. Do you have a message for Team India?
Well, Team India is going to do well. I mean, I haven't followed cricket that much, but when I started following it 2 months back, and when I saw folks like Shikhar Dhawan, the completely ferocious kind of guys, I think their persona itself is going to scare the other teams away.
You bet. Abhi waqt ho chala hai unko dho dalne ka types. So thank you so much for calling in and also for sharing your message. We will look forward to talking to you again next week. Have a beautiful rest of the day.
Take care.
Thank you. And with the that was Rishi from Info Objects, Rishi Yadav. If you'd like to get in touch with them, again, infoobjects.com. Now back to Won't Give It Back Wednesdays.
Yes, back to Won't Give It Back Wednesdays. India, don't give the cup back to them. And of course, Team the Thunder from Down Under.
Don't give the cup back to them. Nay, don't give the cup away. It is our cup already. Kya hai haltu?
Yeah, okay, it's ours.
Yeah, that is right. So, आपको कॉल करना है
हमारा है, हमारा होके रहेगा.
होके रहेगा. एंड आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479 पे। एंड अगर आप सोच रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है पैम पैम में, व्हाट आर दीस गाइस प्लेइंग, दे प्लेइंग सम सॉन्ग, दे सिंगिंग सम सॉन्ग्स एंड दे प्लेइंग सॉन्ग्स दैट वी आर नॉट वेरी familiar with. Well, that means you're not somebody who follows cricket.
Exactly. And of course, Burjan, आज के जो भी गाने बजे हमारा हो या उनका और सबका है गाना, एंड उसी लेवल में हम लोग एक और गाने की तरफ जाते हैं जो हमारे बहुत दिल के करीब है. You know why, right?
Why?
2011 का यार, सोचा करो.
Hi, of course, Bandhujan. ये तो you heard even Shankar sir sing this, and every Bandhu who has been a Radio Dehotees Bandhu since that time knows that they actually got a chance to see Shankar Mahadevan sing live right here just before India won the World Cup. So, Jio Khiladi Vahe Vahe.
घुमा के गुत्थी गुत्थम घुमा के अड़चन खड़चन घुमा के जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे, जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे, ओ अड़े पड़े घुमा के आरे पारे घुमा के गुत्थी गुत्थम घुमा के अड़चन खड़चन घुमा के छुटा हौसला बदल फैसला, बढ़ा ले तू बिंदास काबिला, खेल जमा ले कसम उठा ले, बजा के चुटकी धूल चटा दे, घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे, घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे. अटकी सांस हुई की नोक पर, खेल बड़ा ही गहरा है, मजा भी है मजेदार साइज का, रंगा रंगी ये चेहरा है, हिट्टी शिट्टी हो हल्ला सब हुल्लड़ धूम धड़ाका है, खेल खिलाड़ी तड़क भड़क सब चलता फड़ाका है, घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे, घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे, अड़े पड़े घुमा के आरे पारे घुमा के गुत्थी गुत्थम घुमा के अड़चन खड़चन घुमा के छुटा हौसला बदल फैसला, बढ़ा ले तू बिंदास काबिला, खेल जमा ले कसम उठा ले, बजा के चुटकी धूल चटा दे, घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के घुमा के
घुमा के. And of course, हमारे प्यारे बंधु लोग, आप भी दे घुमा के नहीं दबा के. नंबर 4089122479. क्या देना पूछ रहे हैं आप लोग ना? विशेष दो यार, विशेष दो, बेशुमार दो और मौका हासिल करो.
That is right. मौका 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 मौका,
ये शुरू हो गया है.
चौका चौका, मौका मौका.
That's right, Bidjan. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं क्या ये गाना हो रहा है, स्लोगन हो रहा है, ये स्लोगन हो रहा है बिकॉज आज रात को मैच होने वाली है वहां पे, सुबह यहाँ पे रात, मतलब ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ हो रहा है धोनी का हाथापाई. मतलब 11 of Dhoni, मतलब our Indian team is going to be going and doing Dhoni of the Australia team.
That is right. तो आपको उनके लिए wishes देना है. Today we're doing Won't Give It Back Wednesdays. And those of you who were calling us while we were on the segment, sorry यार, हम लोग आपकी calls नहीं ले पाए. तो please do give us a call back right now. 4089122479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर है
4089122479. Again 4089122479. क्या आपने गौर किया? 4089122479 को ऐड करेंगे, पूरा 11 होएगा हमारा क्रिकेट टीम की तरफ. मैं ऐसे ही बोला यार, कोई ऐसी फैक्ट नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी चलेगा
क्या?
हाँ, थोड़ेगा.
एक्चुअली आज तो बहुत एडवांटेज ले रहा है कि हम लोगों को इतनी
मैथ रहती नहीं है.
Exactly.
Only thing got to matter right now is 4 and Chakkal Bulujan. Right now, go call us 4089122479. You can actually give a shout out to your favorite Indian team and also your favorite Indian player.
That is right. So call कीजिएगा and hey, you know what? हमारे
no,
बंधुज ना,
Mhm.
हमारे बंधुज इतने careless हैं क्या आलतू कि वो
Careless?
care नहीं करते हैं कि
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ seriously वो care नहीं करते हैं कि इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम जीते.
आ,
आपको क्या लगता है हमारे इन हाउस स्टूडियो गेस्ट जी, आपको क्या लगता है, आप बताएं ना.
She's
क्या-
speechless. She's totally speechless. बंधुजान, तो देते हैं कॉलर को. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. आप थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड में वॉल्यूम कम कर दीजिएगा, बिकॉज़ ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे बड़ा ऑडियंस है.
हाँ.
टोटल कुल मिला के हमारे पास एक ऑडियंस है यहाँ पे.
थोड़ा रेडियो को
लेकिन
वॉल्यूम.
वहाँ पे और बैठे हैं बाहर.
ए डार्लिंग, थोड़ा रेडियो को वॉल्यूम कम कर दो ना यार. हेलो पैम पैम में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Won't give it back. Won't give it back. Won't give it back. Won't give it back.
देखिए आप बूस्ट दिया क्या इसको? सही में आज तो सही वीच ला रही है. नमस्ते जी, पैम पैम आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. वेडनेसडे व्हाट गिव इट बैक पे. Who's this? Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Faltu, Pam Pam Sudeshna here.
Hey Sudeshna, what's up?
कैसे हो सुदेशना पैम पैम?
I'm good.
Okay, so Sudeshna, what is your message for the Indian cricket team?
This just occurred to me right now. जब तक है धोनी, फिर से जब तक है कैप्टन धोनी, कप वापस देना है अनहोनी.
आहा, आहा. चलो आज का मौका लेके आपने सही स्लोगन डाल दिया. सुदेश सर जाके फेसबुक पे पोस्ट कर दीजिएगा. facebook.com/radio-hotties.
आज सुदेशना आपको मालूम है क्या करना है? इतनी फास्ट क्यों बोल रहा है आलतू?
ओ मैच का एक्साइटमेंट है ना.
ओह वैसे अच्छा
हाँ.
ठीक है. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में. कौन है जी?
हेलो पैम पैम, वेडनेसडे वन गिव बैक में आपका स्वागत है. Who's this? हेलो पैम पैम.
Hello.
Hi पैम पैम, who's this?
Hello.
Hi Pam Pam, I can hear you. Call us beyond Pam Pam. Say Pam Pam, please. Hello.
ए भाई साहब, पैम पैम बोलने का ना.
ये टाइम नहीं है भाई.
थोड़ा रेडियो का वॉल्यूम कम कर दो ना बैकग्राउंड में. 4089122479 नमस्कार पैम पैम.
Hello.
Hi Pam Pam, who's this?
Pravallika.
Pravallika.
What a beautiful name, yaar.
What a beautiful name.
Pravallika.
Pravallika. Are you a first time caller to our show? बोलो.
बोलिए.
Yeah. Hello.
हाँ, go ahead. We're listening.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm calling the show.
आपका शो का हमारा फर्स्ट टाइम आने का यही था आपका मौका.
हाँ.
आपने कॉल किया on this particular day, which is totally going to be a choka chaka.
I know. Seriously.
For our Indian team is going to bring the kappa baka. I was trying to write, didn't work out. Okay. Haan. So come on, Pravallika. I love your name though.
Yeah, beautiful name.
Can I borrow it, please? Can I use it?
ए अच्छा नाम है, अच्छी लेडी है, शायद अच्छी भी दिखती है. तुम कैसे बोरो करके उसका पूरा सत्यानाश कर दोगे आलतू?
Oh, no.
Oh.
Okay, you won't give it back?
Okay, so बोलिए प्रवल्लिका जी, what is your message for the Indian cricket team?
I'm very confident that the team is going to win today.
I like that.
So just all of that. That's it.
So sweet. अच्छा, what is it? कान की बाली?
नहीं, चक्स. आलतू मैंने बोला आप कॉन्फिडेंट है ना?
कॉन्फिडेंट है ना?
हाँ, कान की बाली.
I don't know, get some card like I don't know, तेरा भट्टड़ का समझ जाता है मेरे को sometimes. तुम मुद्रा करती है ना?
अच्छा.
तो इसीलिए. हाँ, प्रवल्लिका जी, तो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है कि इंडिया जीतेगा?
हाँ.
With confidence.
Very good.
Okay. We want to hear that confidence. We want you to sing with us. मौका मारो चौका छक्का. ठीक है?
1, 2, 3, start. मौका
मारो चौका छक्का.
मारो चौका छक्का. Okay.
हाँ.
मौका मारो चौका छक्का.
मारो चौका छक्का.
बोलो.
चक्का.
अभी इसको आप अगे.
मारो चक्का.
Very good. So all people out there, आप सभी लोगों को यही विनती है हमें आपसे कि आप जब भी ये मैच देखोगे कि जब ब्रेक टाइम में प्लीज सिंग कीजिएगा दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्रेज व्हिच इज अ मंत्रा. मौका मारो चौका छक्का. Only when India is batting, please.
Yes, not for the other team.
Yes, only when India is batting इसको यूज कीजिएगा. ये महामंत्र है जो यूज कर सकते हैं आप on the time when cricket team is on the crease.
And let us tell you, Bunjan, if इफ की बात ही नहीं है, नेवर माइंड, मैं कुछ जिंक्स नहीं करना चाहती हूँ अभी, मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ, आपको एक सरप्राइज एलिमेंट है, अगर ये हो गया एंड वो बाद में बताएंगे, कल बताएंगे। तो आज ऑफ कोर्स प्रवल्लिका जी, बहुत खुशी हुई हमें कि आप हमारे में हर्षोत्पन्न हुआ।
वाह, तो आपकी तरफ से हम देंगे हमारी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम को शुभकामनाएं और ढेर सारा मंगल कामनाएं।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप जाके हमारे फेसबुक पे हैशटैग करके won't give it back and #in versus Australia वो पोस्ट करेंगे तो जरूर आपको एक वेलकम गिफ्ट मिलेगा हमारे वंडरफुल स्पॉन्सर्स की तरफ से। प्लीज डू गो अहेड एंड पोस्ट ऑन facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties। नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Won't Give It Back Wednesdays on Pam Pam में। कौन है जी?
हेलो Pam Pam।
वाला
हाय।
ए बात करना यार, कौन है?
नमस्कार Pam Pam, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। हेलो Pam Pam, who's this? Hello.
Hello.
Hi Pam Pam, who's this?
Pam Pam, this is Bala.
Bala.
Bala Pam Pam.
Yes.
Nice Bala, good to hear you again Bala. Are you a first time caller?
मारो यार मारो, कब तो हमारी है।
अरे वाह, मानो या ना मानो कब तो हमारी है।
अरे वाह,
पहले एक्चुअली देखा जाए,
छक्का मारो, मौका।
बाला, I don't tell you one thing. If you look at the cup at the bottom right, अगर आप उसको कप उठा के देखिए ना, it will say made in India. I am sorry, it says made for India.
थोड़ा रेडियो को वॉल्यूम कम कर दीजिए अपना बैकग्राउंड में, प्लीज टर्न डाउन द रेडियो वॉल्यूम, वी आर गेटिंग सम फीडबैक।
बालाजी प्लीज, बालाजी, वाह इनका नाम ही बदल गया।
हाँ,
बाला से बालाजी हो गया।
हाँ, प्लीज टर्न डाउन द रेडियो वॉल्यूम प्लीज।
बाला, बाला,
ठीक है।
Did you turn down the radio volume?
No, he
didn't.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And please do post on facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties.
Hello, Pam Pam, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। Who's this? Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, Pam Pam. Who's this?
Pam Pam, this is Ravi from Fremont.
Ravi from Fremont. And you're calling us for the first time?
No.
You called us before? तो बोलिए सर, आपका मैसेज क्या है इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के लिए?
The message is not for the Indian cricket team, but to myself as well as other Janta.
Oh, please go ahead. Yes.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
So I know there's a lot of emotion attached whenever India plays cricket game.
Yeah.
But cricket is such a beautiful game, right? Instead of enjoying the game, we tend to put pressure on ourselves, saying that Indians should win, and in the process, we forget to enjoy the game. So, I mean, this advice is to myself as well as the rest of the Janta. Then just go watch the game, have fun, and then hope the best team wins, right?
I want to tell you only one thing over here.
Yeah.
Moka, moka, maro chaka, chaka, moka.
See, वो क्या है ना सर, हमारा the best team obviously according to us is India.
Yeah, so they have to win, right?
So they have to win, and whether they win or they've already won our hearts, so that's half the victory already.
That's right, yeah.
And of course जश्न मनाएंगे हम लोग जो भी हो, right? So इसीलिए हम लोग ये बोल रहे हैं. So what is your message to the team, sir? Because I'm pretty sure you have to send positive energies their way. So what is your message?
कुछ भेजो, कुछ तो positive बोलो.
Yeah, so all the best, and forget about what happened previously with Australia team. If team plays to the potential, I think they should definitely win. And my prayer for today is Sergi. He's going to do something special.
Oh, very good. We look forward to that thing.
That is right.
And
Absolutely.
we'll talk to you in something special tomorrow.
That is sir. Thank you so much for calling in. And अभी बंजन हम लोगों को एक छोटा मोटा सा कमर्शियल ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा, लेकिन हम लोग आपको ये भी बता रहे हैं कि आप सुन रहे हैं Won't Give It Back Wednesdays on Pam Pam. Typically on the Pam Pam show, at around this time we bring on the dial-in expert, and the expert on Wednesdays is always senior mortgage planner. This is Mr. Shashank Shekhar of Arcus Lending. But today, unfortunately, Shashank Shekhar is not able to join us, but he also sends his best wishes to the Indian cricket team.
Wow!
And Shashank did want us to let you know that you can continue the Jashne Mauka.
Oh, Mauka.
Jashne Mauka.
Jashne Mauka,
on the air, right here on Pam Pam. So, if you're looking to finance or refinance your home, definitely get in touch with his office. His office is open right now. 408-615-0655. Again, 408 615-0655, or you can go to arcuslending.com. But right now, we're going to go into a quick break and come back and take your calls right after this, because we have another 10 minutes or so for us to take your calls and wishes on the air for the Indian cricket team. We'll see you right after this break.
Mad Idlis. The wait is over. Garam idli and dosas at Mad Idlis. Pure South Indian vegetarian restaurant located inside Saravana Stores. 3379 El Camino Real, Santa Clara. Visit madidli.com or call 408-239-4262.
Desi 1170 AM invites you to an evening in Sacramento with the one and only Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Jai Mastadi Entertainment's LSJ Financial and Hariom Entertainment bring you the amazing voice of Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan for his Back to Love tour. Saturday, April 11th at the Community Center Theatre, 1301 L Street in Sacramento. Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. For tickets, call 408-482-4331. That's 408-482-4331, or visit desi1170am.com. Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Saturday, April 11th in Sacramento.
Hey, break time. लंच पर चलें?
नहीं जा सकती। इंडिया पैसे भेजने हैं और बेस्ट एक्सचेंज रेट्स ढूंढने में बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है।
अरे इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तुमने compareRemit.com का नाम नहीं सुना?
compareRemit.com?
हाँ, compareRemit.com। सिर्फ अमाउंट एंटर करो और साइड बाय साइड कंपैरिजन हाजिर, और वो भी सबसे बेस्ट एक्सचेंज रेट्स के साथ।
वाओ, इतना इजी। पैसे भेज भी दिए?
यप, अब तुम्हारे पैसे भी बचाता हूँ और तुम्हें लंच पर भी ले जाता हूँ।
अरे वाह, चलो।
compareRemit.com, helping you find the best way to send money to India.
When it comes to your health, you go to a doctor. When it comes to your taxes, you go to Ram Accountancy. Ram Accountancy. CAs, CPAs with over 20 years of experience. Mention Ram for a 20% discount. ramaccountancy.com.
एक घंटे से कंप्यूटर पे बैठे हो, what are you doing?
अरे यार, I'm looking for an insurance quote.
मेरी बात मानो. Let's do what Vidhi and Ankit did. They went to Ladi ji.
Of LSJ Financial?
Yeah, he actually shopped around with more than 15 different companies and got them a life insurance plan that was best suited for their needs.
Oh wow, really?
Yes, itna hi nahi, he's also doing their estate plan.
Ladi Duty, independent certified financial planner, serving our community at 3 Bay Area locations: Pleasanton, Fremont, and Santa Clara. For more information, visit lsjfinancial.com or call 408-373-5570.
Hi, this is Anushka Sharma. You're listening to me on Radio Day Hotties with Altu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
That's true. That's true. It's not only Virat who gets hotter.
It is also Altu Baba and Faltu Rani who keep getting hotter with the Radio D Hotties team.
That is right, but and of course, आज आप लोग call कर सकते हैं 408-912-2479 to give a shout out to your favorite team. That is the Indian cricket team. Mauka, 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 mauka.
चौका छक्का मारो मौका मौका। आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 पे। कौन है जी? नमस्कार, पैम पैम।
Hello, Pam Pam. Who's this?
Pam Pam. Hi, this is Sujata.
Hi, Sujata.
कहाँ से कॉल? सुजाता जी, ओके ओके, हमारी सैरेटोगा वाली सुजाता जी, राइट?
सैरेटोगा।
Yes.
हाँ जी, बोलिए, आपका मैसेज क्या है? क्या अगर आपका कोई स्लोगन है वो भी बता सकती हैं।
हम आपकी 2 लाइनों में और ऐड करना चाहते हैं।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
Go ahead.
तो आपकी लाइन है यही, मौका मौका मारो चौका छक्का,
राइट?
कर दो वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया के लिए पक्का, फिर तो पार्टी करना और पीना वोडका।
मौका मौका
मारो चौका छक्का, चौका छक्का मारो मौका मौका, मारो छक्का चौका जब मिले मौका
मौका।
वाह वाह सुजाता जी, आपने तो जी खुश कर दिया यार। लेकिन अगर वोडका नहीं पीते तो?
दूध है ना। And Sujata ji, thank you so much for that nice slogan.
कर दो वर्ल्ड कप पक्का, फिर पार्टी करो with पानी and vodka.
Exactly, you sound like a lyricist for Honey Singh.
Yeah, seriously.
Sujata ji, thank you so much for calling us.
Thank you so much जी।
You're welcome.
Alright जी, इसको पोस्ट कर देना। Don't forget to hashtag won't give it back and hashtag India versus Australia on facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties. नमस्कार, पैम पैम, कौन है जी?
Hello. Hi, Pam Pam, who's this?
Hi, this is Sumit.
Sumit, hi Sumit, बताइए Pam Pam.
Pam Pam.
All right, sir. तो मजा आ रहा है आपको?
All right, so I'm stuck in a traffic jam, and I thought this was the best time to call you guys since I was listening to you guys. And this is the first time I'm calling.
Tell us, are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it?
I sure am.
You sure?
Of course.
You sure? Because I want you to say it because some people out there might think, oh my God, I don't think people enjoy it. If you say it, they'll at least feel, okay, somebody enjoys it at least. So,
Now it's building up to the spirit of the game tonight, right?
That's right. We're getting excited right now. So once more, your slogan for the team. Come on, let's do it.
Okay, so my slogan is twofold, right? One is for everyone, and then one is for the team. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So the thing is that we may not have the best batsman, we may not have the best bowler, but we surely have the best team and the best captain in the world. Right. So last time I remember that Yuvraj categorically said after the World Cup that he wanted to win this one for Sachin.
Yeah.
So now my message to the Indian team is that, guys, go win this for MSK. I mean, there's not been a better captain than MSK, for Indian cricket team in a long, long time.
That's true.
So guys, go ahead, play well and go ahead and win this one for MSK. And I'm hoping that a lot of players are actually, not only going to win this cup for themselves, but for MSK. That's it. Hey, by the way, hello.
हाँ. आपके लिए 1 मिनट मुझे कुछ कहना है. इस बार तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की धूल डालेंगे.
वाह.
जब है MS धोनी तो वैसे ही होनी.
वैसे ही होनी है. हम जरूर धूल डालेंगे, लेकिन मेरा एक फेवरेट गाना बजा दो यार. I'm still driving and I'm stuck in traffic.
अरे anything for you. बोलना कौन सा गाना बोलना.
चलो मैं हिंट देता हूँ फिर देखता हूँ तेरा जीके कैसा है गाने के मामले में. ओके.
नहीं क्या हुआ?
कोई रोमांटिक नहीं बोलने का.
हाँ. So the hint is that it is from the movie Happy New Year from last year.
वो हमारे लिस्ट में था.
वो नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग वही है भाई. हाँ. सुनते रहो, देखो कितना सीख में हम लोग.
हाँ, टोटली.
इंडिया वाले ना, मुझे मालूम है. इंडिया वाले ना.
हमारा यहाँ पे
बजाना यार.
अरे अभी रुकना यार, बजेगा अभी. सुनते रहो. ट्रैफिक बेटर रहो.
हाँ. तो जरूर जाके इसको पोस्ट कर देने का.
फेसबुक लाइक देगा सुमित ने.
हाँ, सुमित facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties वहाँ पे जाके पोस्ट करने का बॉस. तो facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties पे पोस्ट करना है. हैशटैग मारना मत भूलना प्लीज.
हैशटैग इज वॉन्ट गिव इट बैक. फालतू नहीं. हमारे पास ऑप्शन है. ऑप्शन ये है कि बहुत सारे बंधु लोग हैं या एक गाना. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? बहुत सारे बंधु लोग या एक गाना? बंधु लोग गाना. Very good. I like that.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में. कौन है जी?
Hello.
Hi, Pam. Who's this?
Hey, Pam. It's Vinod.
मौका मारो
चक्का मारने का मौका. तो
Okay. I've got the same motion. मौका धोनी कोहली दूल्हा न्यूजीलैंड की. Australia, New Zealand ki. Sorry, Australia, New Zealand ki.
Doesn't matter. We understand your emotions. We totally understand emotions.
And he's in the train right now.
But this guy is calling us all the way from train. Totally in motion है बंदा.
हाँ, total in motion, and he's also very emotional.
Yeah, and of course Twitter पे कितना तरह आपने actually किया ना. अगर नहीं, जब भी जीतेगा ना तो आपके नाम पे रहेगा वो.
हाँ, बार
हो tweet यार हो. फेसबुक भी हो और रेडियो भी हो.
तो बोलो विनोद जी, आपका मैसेज क्या है? Oh no, उनका कट गया लाइन यार. He's calling from the train बेचारे.
फालतू नहीं.
चलो ठीक है, एक गाना बजा देते हैं यार.
Why not यार? Here you go.
हाँ.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. यारबाज हम, जानसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले.
for all the people listening right now, this is the Pam Pam Show with a presentation of Mahima Creations, and of course in celebration of the match which is going to be won by India tonight, of course. This is my fortune I am telling to everybody out there. And so be it. So be it. And if you're wondering who are they playing against, that's not significant.
कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा हमको परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे जग ये भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान निसार कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले
हर जीत के हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के छक्के छुड़ा दे
हम इंडिया वाले
Keep that going up. Positive energy for our bandus who are playing in Australia, Bhajan, against Australia.
That is right. And अगर आप अभी हमें join हो रहे हैं and आप सुनते आ रहे हैं, well, sorry यार, we just have 3 more minutes to close out the show.
Yeah.
But keep that fervor on, keep that passion on. ये है positive energy for Team India. We won't give it back. What won't we give back? We won't give back the World Cup.
We won't give it back. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में. Who's this? Hello.
Hey, Pam.
Pam Pam, कौन है जी?
Hey, this is Kushal.
कुशल, thank you so much for calling us. बताइए आपका मैसेज क्या है, कुशल जी? Indian team.
So I have a joke from my sister.
Okay.
And it's related to today's match.
Okay.
And it goes like this. So, आज ऑस्ट्रेलिया देखेगी इंडिया के तेवर जब उनको देंगे अनुष्का के 10 देवर.
Nice. Woohoo! मौका मारो छक्का मारने का मौका.
Bhajan, please keep track of this Maha Mantra, which actually is only meant for when India is on the crease.
That is right.
And you got to say mauka maro chauka chakka maro jab mile mauka.
Very nice, very nice. तो आपको ये कुशल जी जाके पोस्ट कर देना है facebook.com/RadioDhotties. Please do not forget to hashtag on our page won't give it back and also hashtag India versus Australia. And अभी बदजान हम लोगों को बोलना पड़ेगा कि actually एक और गाना लगा देते हैं. What do you think?
Why not? We'll end with the song right now.
We'll end with the song. तो सुनिएगा ये गाना आज होगा टोटल धूम धड़ाका और अपने पास कप रखने का मौका. तो सुनिएगा, इसी के साथ हम लोग अभी साइन आउट करेंगे.
टाटा,
बाय बाय, गुड नाइट, शब खैर एंड प्यार भरा.
धूम धड़ाका.